Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best car on dash-mounted cameras is probably one of the most essential accessories for any driver, ensuring safety and peace of mind on the road. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 best dash cams that you need to check out. Now let's take a look at the top 5 best dash cams we choose for you. Number 5. Capture crystal clear videos with Ultra HD recording quality. Experience superior clarity and detail compared to other dash cams. Easily manage recordings with the ROVE app on your mobile devices. Download 4K videos to your smartphone quickly and share them with ease. Track your driving location and speed accurately with built-in GPS. View your route on Google Maps via Wi-Fi or the ROVE app. Enjoy features like supercapacitor, parking mode, motion detection, and more. Experience top-notch technology with this dashboard camera. Receive exceptional customer care with a 1-year warranty. Contact us for any questions or concerns and enjoy a full refund within 30 days. What we like? If you're looking for crystal clear video quality, the ROVE R2 4K Dash Cam is the perfect choice. With its 4K Ultra HD recording capability, you'll notice a significant difference in clarity compared to other dash cams. It also comes with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to instantly view and manage recordings on your smartphone. Plus, the GPS feature accurately records your driving location and speed. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a professional driver, the ROVE R2 4K Dash Cam is a must-have. What people say?
It has a wide assortment of video resolutions you can choose from. I went with standard high definition, rather than 2164K recording. This should be able to get over 24 hours of recording time on my 256GB card. I bought 2 of these for my 2 cars. It is for protection in case of an accident, to document what happens in a crash.
Number 4. Capture video up to Ultra HD 4K and FHD 1080p resolutions. Easily read road signs and vehicle number plates. Adopting an excellent optical lens with ultra-large aperture and HDR/WDR technology for clear details under low light. Connect to the RedTiger app via Wi-Fi to view, playback, and manage the dashcam on your smartphone. Share moments with one click. Built-in GPS records driving route, speed, location. Track on Google Maps using the app. Provides additional evidence in case of accidents. Loop recording ensures continuous recording. G-sensor locks collision video. 24 hours parking monitor with time-lapse function available. Hardware kit required. Backed by full 1-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. 7/24 hours technical support available. What we like? If you want maximum coverage and exceptional night vision, the RedTiger Dash Cam is the perfect choice. With its dual recording capability of 4K plus 1.8 you can capture every detail on the road. The superior night vision technology ensures clear footage even in low light conditions. Plus, the Wi-Fi and smart app control allow you to easily manage and share your recordings. Whether you're a professional driver or a safety-conscious individual, the RedTiger Dash Cam is the ideal companion. What people say?
The quality is top-notch at 4K and 1080p for rear camera. They are very easy to and very reliable with great video and audio quality. With the hardwire kit they turn on with when you start the car and turn off when you turn off your car. Super easy to use this way. I highly recommend hardwire kit. I liked that I could rotate the rear camera in its holder to the view angle I wanted. The cable length on the rear camera was more than sufficient to reach front to back in this car, and easily tucked away behind the headliner and other trim pieces.
Number 3. Capture clear license plates and road signs both day and night with advanced technology. Easily control and share footage using your smartphone with simple app functionality. Slim design, takes up minimal space in your car, and simple setup for all users. Automatically switch to parking mode for round-the-clock protection, even when parked. Automatically overwrite old recordings with new ones and lock footage when triggered by collision. What we like? If you're looking for a compact and feature-packed dash cam, the ROVE Dash Cam is the perfect choice. With its FHD 1080p recording capability and wide-angle lens, you can capture important details during the day and night. The built-in Wi-Fi and app control make it convenient to access and share your footage. Plus, the 24 hours parking mode ensures continuous recording for added security. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, the FHD Dash Cam is the ultimate companion. What people say?
The camera manual for both setups was very well explained in the instructions, and I was able to save at least $100 for an electrician to do it. The camera video quality is very sharp during the day and night. The instruction manual is thorough, has large print and is written in clean, proper English. The app is the same, very intuitive, simple and not Yankee at all. Customer service reached out immediately after I bought the cam and gave me contact information in case I needed any help setting it up. That really went a long way with me.
Number 2. This mini dash cam comes with a 170 wide-angle 1080p front camera and a 720p HD waterproof rear camera, capturing all 3 lanes of the road. The IPS display and WDR function make video recording vivid and clear. A 32GB SD card is included for quick use. 2 brackets are provided, a suction cup for flexible placement and a 3M bracket for stability. Loop recording overwrites old videos when the card is full. The built-in G-sensor locks and retains videos of accidents. Press the lock button to save specific videos. The WDR function adjusts light brightness for clear night recording. The parking monitor detects and records videos of hits or scratches automatically. Includes accessories for easy installation. Features like voice recording and photo function make it a versatile choice for any user. Enjoy a lifetime warranty and 24/7 customer support. Contact us for any issues or suggestions. We are always here to help. What we like? If you're looking for a compact and reliable dash cam, the dash cam front and rear is the perfect choice. With its mini size and 170-degree wide-angle front camera, you can capture the entire road without obstruction. The included 32GB SD card ensures you can start recording right away. The loop recording and accident lock features ensure that important footage is always saved. Whether you're a city driver or a family adventurer, the dash cam front and rear is a must-have for added peace of mind. What people say?
I installed both the front and rear cameras, but you can do just the front. There is the option of recording both audio and video. Mine is set to video only, not sure if this saves recording space. Worked perfectly right out of the box. Many useful functions, but still easy to use. Nice that it comes with a SD card installed.
Number 1. Exciting news. The FOCUWAY Dash Cam now offers voice control and time-lapse recording features for an even better user experience. You can now use voice commands like take photo and lock the video. Capture both the front and back of your car with 2 high-quality cameras. The front camera records 4K Ultra HD videos, while the rear camera ensures clear footage of the car license plate. The sleek and compact design of the FOCUWAY Dash Cam allows for a perfect installation behind the rearview mirror. Say goodbye to any interference while driving, as the camera disappears from your line of sight. Experience faster Wi-Fi connection with your smartphone for better video previewing, downloading, and sharing. Download footage to your phone for true 4K resolution viewing. The high-performance supercapacitor ensures the dash cam's longevity even in extreme weather conditions. The parking monitor feature automatically records emergency videos in case of a collision. What we like? If you want the ultimate dash cam experience, the dash cam front and rear 4K is the perfect choice. With its real 4K plus 1080p recording capability and hidden design, it offers unmatched video quality without obstructing your view. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi ensures fast and seamless connectivity. The superior night vision technology captures clear footage even in low-light conditions. Whether you're a technology enthusiast or a luxury car owner, the dash cam front and rear 4K is the epitome of excellence. What people say?
The FOCUWAY T5 front and rear 4K dash cam with built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi is a true game-changer when it comes to capturing every detail on the road. This dash cam offers a level of clarity and convenience that sets it apart from the rest. This dash cam is very much plug and play, which I appreciate, and once you plug it in it talks to you, saying that it started recording. This is a bit annoying, just a beep would be better. The installation can be a bit difficult because it's not adjustable at all. There is a single adhesive pad attached to the camera and no other way to mount it, no suction cup mount, etc. In front of the rearview mirror works well, but if you want it anywhere else it might be difficult because you can't adjust the angle at all.
You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.